Welcome! Have you ever wanted to share your favorite tunes or voice messages on Telegram but weren't sure how? In today's video, we're going to walk you through the straightforward steps to send audio on Telegram using your Android device. It's easier than you think. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, grab your Android device and open the Telegram app. If you haven't done so already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you're ready to move on to the next step. Step 1. Open Telegram on your Android device. If you can see the app on your home screen or in your app drawer, tap it to launch. Step 2. Now it's time to find the chat you want to send your audio file to. Do you want to share it with a friend or perhaps a group? Scroll through your chats or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the conversation. Step 3. Once you're in the chat, look at the bottom of the screen for the attachments icon. It usually looks like a paperclip or a plus sign. Tap on it to open up more options. Step 4. From the list that appears at the bottom, select Music. This will bring up your audio library, allowing you to find that perfect audio file you want to share. Step 5. Now it's time to choose the audio you want to send. Browse through your selections and don't forget to listen to a preview if you're unsure which track to pick. Step 6. Once you've selected the audio, simply tap the send icon button and your audio will be on its way. It's that simple. And that's it. You've successfully sent audio on Telegram. We hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. See you next time.